What if I told you that making your first $1,000 investing is not about being rich, not about luck, and not about being a finance expert? It's about using the right strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners in the USA can realistically grow their first $1,000 through investing, step by step, even if you're starting with just $100. Let's get started. Before we talk about stocks or apps, we need to fix something important: your mindset. Making $1,000 investing is not a get-rich-quick plan. It's about patience, consistency, smart decisions. If you invest $500 and expect it to turn into $1,000 next week, that's gambling, not investing. Instead, think long-term. If you invest consistently and earn an average 8 to 10% annually, which the S&P 500 has historically returned, your money grows over time through compound interest. And compound interest is how normal people build wealth. Your first goal isn't to become a millionaire. Your goal is turn your first few $100 into $1,000. For example, start with $500. Add $100 per month. Invest consistently. Within months to a year, reaching $1,000 invested is very realistic. The key is consistency, not the starting amount. If you're in the USA, here are beginner-friendly platforms: Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, Robinhood, Webull. If you're investing for retirement, consider Roth IRA, tax-free growth. For 401k, if your job offers a match, free money. If you're just starting and want flexibility, open a regular brokerage account. Make sure no commission fees. Allows fractional shares. Easy to use. Now the big question: what should beginners buy? Here's the simple answer: index funds or ETFs. Instead of trying to pick the next Tesla or Apple, buy the whole market. For example, S&P 500 ETF like VO or SPY. Total market ETF like VTI. Why? Because it's diversified. Lower risk than single stocks. Historically returns around 8 to 10% per year. Example: if you invest $500 in an S&P 500 ETF and add $100 monthly, with average returns, you'll cross $1,000 invested quickly and keep growing. This is simple. This is boring. But this works. If you want to reach your first $1,000 faster, do this. Combine investing with extra income. For example, freelancing, Uber or DoorDash, selling digital products, AI side hustles. If you invest side hustle money instead of spending it, you'll hit $1,000 much faster. Investing alone grows money, but investing plus extra income accelerates everything. Here are 4 beginner mistakes. Trying to time the market. Panic selling when prices drop. Investing money you need next month. Following TikTok stock tips. The market goes up and down, but long term, it trends up. Stay consistent. Ignore noise. Think years, not days. Let's say you invest $200 today. Add $200 every month. In 4 months, you'll already be at $1,000 invested. Now imagine doing that for 5 years. That's how wealth starts. Not with $1 million, but with your first $1,000. If you're serious about building wealth in America, your first $1,000 is the most important milestone. Because once you see your money grow, everything changes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to USA Finance, and comment below. How much are you starting with? And I'll see you in the next video.